So next up in terms of profiting from buy-to-let and looking at the right buy-to-let opportunities is tenant profile. Now we've touched on tenant profile in terms of a tenant profile matrix and all of the variables and nuances that kind of go alongside choosing the right tenant profile. But in terms of fundamentals, in terms of using a tenant profile to look for, what I want to really dial in on here is that not use it as a secondary, let's say, reason for maybe choosing a location or choosing a particular property, but having it as one of those key kind of fundamentals. So really consider before you choose a location, a potential property type, a potential property opportunity, the specifics of what tenant you want in that property. Is it a single let, family, or a couple or an individual? Are you looking for a multi-let? Are you going to be looking for student tenants or social housing or professional tenants? So rather than kind of going out looking for the right property, finding a property and thinking this is perfect, and then considering the tenant profile, I'd absolutely say to really make a decision on what tenant profile you're aiming for earlier on in that process. And then you can use that and build that into your location suggestions and your areas that you really focus on, and then also the property types that you're going to be looking for, because a 2-bedroom or a 3-bedroom house or a 1-bedroom or a 2-bedroom apartment is going to vary certainly in asset value and vary in terms of availability of stock, and it's going to be much easier to narrow that down once you know your exact tenant profile that you want to be focusing on.